Hi, I'm Mikael Niku from the Developmental Interactions Lab at Veterinary Biosciences, University of Helsinki. We study how maternal microbiota modulates fetal development in mammals, especially the development of the intestinal immune system. The gut microbiota produces many kinds of metabolites, which are small molecules, which are able to pass from the gut to bloodstream and through the placenta all the way to the fetus. And some of these are known to modulate fetal development of the immune system. But most of the metabolites, of the many metabolites produced by bacteria, are still unknown or very little studied, and their effects in the fetal development are not yet very well understood. We have been discovering novel microbial metabolites by comparing germ-free mice which don't have any bacteria with normal mice, and we are now studying the most interesting ones of these metabolites in larger mammals such as pigs and cattle and also humans, and also experimenting with them in cell culture experiments. We are also interested in microbial extracellular vesicles, which are small vesicular structures produced by bacterial cells, like probably all living cells. They are also produced by gut microbiota, and it is now thought that they, or at least some of them, also might go from the gut to bloodstream and maybe all the way to the fetus. This is not yet really well understood, and we hope to shed some light on this. We also study the early development of the gut microbiota and, for example, what happens with it if the pregnant dam is treated with antibiotics. We use CSE services especially for processing and analyzing sequencing data, like microbiota sequencing. And it's absolutely great that we have these resources for Finnish academics, because the data is often too big to be efficiently handled on the desktop computer.